Most firms say we need more leads. What you really need is better fit prospects. If your team spends 30% of the week actually selling, a sharp ICP can increase that to 50 to 60% by killing low-yield pursuits and focusing only on clients who buy, succeed, and refer. In today's video, I'll show you how to build your ideal client profile in just 9 days. And at the end, I'll share the #1 play to increase your business development reply rates. Make sure to stick around for that. I'm Tony Gutierrez. I've spent 30 plus years building and leading consulting firms with over $1 billion in wins. This is the Consulting Edge. We help founder-led boutique firms build predictable premium fee growth. Hit subscribe and grab the free ICP Builder and Diagnostic Guide in the description. This is part 1 of a 2-part ICP miniseries. Today we'll cover what a good ICP looks like and how to build yours in just 9 days, even if you're new to consulting. In the next episode, part 2, we'll turn that ICP into a pipeline with fit scoring, a core 25 list, and a 1-hour weekly cadence. Make sure to stick to the end of this video for the best ICP play to increase your business development effectiveness. Take a look at this. Same product family, totally different playbook. Different buyer, different triggers. One's a big promotion. The other is I'm training for a 10K. So it's a different pain, price, message, and imagery. That's ICP. When you know who it's for and why now, everything snaps into place. Your prospect list, your words, your offer, and your price. Whoa, hey, what are you doing here, Viking Tony?
Hail from the 8th century. What's a watch? In my day, we just sailed to whatever harbor the currents led us to. This ICP sounds like wizard mumbo jumbo.
Different era, Viking Tony. Today we choose the right harbors before we set sail. A strong ideal client profile is a concise, criteria-driven picture of the most valuable organizations that are also most likely to buy now. Your ICP has 5 parts. Firmographics. Think revenue band, headcount, ownership, geography. Situational triggers, like events that spike urgency, new investors, new COO, CRO, M&A integration, ERP rollout, regulatory shock, all those kinds of things. High-value pains, expensive problems you solve repeatedly. Buying committee map, who signs, who champions, who checks ROI, who might block. And finally, success outcomes, the buyer's success metrics, KPIs, in their own language. We'll build these 5 first in this video. In part 2, we'll score prospects against them to prioritize time. A firm I advised recently was chasing anything with a budget. We built their ICP, named 3 triggers, and mapped signer and champion. In a few months, they started getting better traction with prospects. The pipeline grew, sales cycles shortened, and they stopped chasing long shots. Same effort, better aim. Let's build your ICP in 9 days. Day 0. To start, you need to define great. What are the 5 traits of a great client? Easy to win, meaning it's a good fit between your solution and their pain. Enjoyable to serve. Profitable, with a clear ROI. Expandable, and a cultural fit. Days 1 and 2. Choose 3 to 5 great clients from your history. No history? Use public lookalikes. Same problems, same buying context. Days 3 and 4. Make account cards. For each exemplar client, gather the About page from their website, last 6 to 12 months of press releases, leadership changes, job postings, LinkedIn updates, and feel free to use AI to help you build the account cards. Days 5 and 6. Using the account cards, Ask, what happens right before they buy? Is it a new PE majority? Post-merger integration? ERP go live? Use AI to spot pre-buying patterns, highlight recurring phrases, and draft your trigger list. Day 7. Buying committee map. From past wins, capture who signed, who championed, who blocked. No wins yet? Infer titles from org charts and job posts. This lets you multi-thread day 1, not month 3. Day 8. Success outcomes. Define success. We help X companies solve Y expensive pain so they achieve Z KPI result. For example, we help PE-backed services firms stabilize post-ERP finance operations so they close 5 days faster and recover 2 to 3 margin points by spotting leakage and rework faster. Day 9. Share and adopt. Publish your ICP. Share it with your team. Run a 30-minute buy-in huddle. Add 2 required fields to your CRM for every new prospect. 1. Trigger present. 2. Signer access. Review monthly. Refine quarterly. Treat it like a living document. My best ICP play is coming up soon. Stick with me. Back again, Viking Tony?
9 days? I could hit 2 ports before lunch. Who needs planning?
That's why your logbook was full, but your cargo hold empty. Same ocean, better map. Quick win. Build 1 account card today. Circle 2 triggers. Direct message 1 executive with a 2-sentence note tied to that trigger. You'll feel the difference this week. And finally, here's the best play. Role plus trigger. Think RTKA. Role, trigger, KPI at risk, ask. 1 person, 1 live event, 1 number, 1 simple ask. That's it. Here are 3 examples. Let me hit 1, the COO. Saw your NetSuite go live. Month end often slips 5 to 7 days. I've got 3 fixes to claw it back in a quarter. Want the 3-bullet version? Why it works. It's specific, targeted to 1 person, a live trigger, 1 KPI, 1 tiny ask. Same formula for the CFO on DSO or the CEO when acquisition synergies lag. Keep it 60 to 120 words. 1 KPI, 1 ask. Done. All right, Viking Tony, you have a final word?
So, what you're telling me is I should sail to the ports with the gold, not every shoreline. Like fishing where the fish are.
No plundering, Viking Tony, but yes, same ocean, better map. That's ICP in a nutshell. I've packaged these steps, worksheets, and a first call script in the ICP Builder and Diagnostic Guide. Grab it free in the resource vault at agnextllc.com. Link below in the description. And in part 2, we'll turn this ICP into pipeline with fit scoring, a core 25 list, and a 1-hour weekly cadence. The edge belongs to those who claim it. I'm Tony Gutierrez. This is the Consulting Edge. See you in part 2.